We're going to now remove the oil cap, install the adapter into the oil fill, and install the vacuum regulator adapter, and now push in the also supplied vacuum regulator. Next, we're going to connect the vacuum cleaner to the vacuum regulator like this. Now we're going to pull out the oil extraction hose from the van. Included with the kit is a 14 millimeter and a 12 by 1.75 millimeter oil drain plug, which is the most common used in these aluminum oil pans. There is the exception where the car is equipped with a plastic oil pan. Now we can turn on the vacuum using the remote. This applies vacuum to the crankcase, and when you take out the factory oil drain plug, it will keep the oil suspended into the vehicle so that no oil leaks out. Now you can see that it's a 12 by 175 plug. We're going to take out the 12 by 1.75 plug and install it into the place of the factory oil drain plug. Once it is installed, you want to torque the oil drain plug to the manufacturer's specification if it is staying in the car. Now you can turn off the vacuum. Now we're going to install the oil drain tool onto the plug. You do that by turning on this knurled section on the tool. Line it up with the oil plug and tighten. Make sure it's tightened all the way down until the O-ring on the plug is compressed. To start draining the oil, turn the knob inwards, which will open up the valve in the drain plug. We now have a connection from the pan to the hose. Make sure the control valve is set to the extraction side, so we will be pulling oil out of the car and into the van. Turn the system on by pulling this knob. The van must be on and the compressor must be up in pressure. Now take a look over here. You will see the side glass in the hose getting black. That's from the oil being extracted from the vehicle. If you're using the AGA Tools remote oil pump, this process will go much quicker. Once the oil draining process is done, you will notice that the side glass starts becoming clear and you can hear the pump speed up in the van. Now, with it still sucking, you want to take the knob and open it back outwards so that it closes the oil drain plug and seals off the tool on the inside. After that is complete, you can remove the tool. Very little oil will come out, but keep a rag in the connection point just in case. Now we can